Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm painting Hyun. In today's painting, I'm going to paint this orchid. Look at that. Oh, looks so beautiful, right? And an orchid has 5 petals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 petals, big petals, and small 1, 2, 3 of small petals in the center. Okay, it looks like a butterfly, right? Okay, I'm ready to go paint. Here is my beautiful materials, colors, magenta, bright violet, ultramarine deep, and sap green, and some of yellow and cobalt blue. Okay, and brushes and paper. Paper is Archie cold pressed 140 pound. Size is 14 by 10 inches, and I will post all my beautiful materials list in description section below. Okay, and then one more thing, for this sketch, check on my Instagram at Painting Hyun. I will post it same day and linked in description box below. Okay, I have prepared a sketch in advance. This flower is a main flower. So this one is the second, third one, and buds. So first, start by taking some water, put on the petals. Okay, here. And then take some magenta. Put on the main flower, big petals. Okay, this one is first layer and second one. And a second, I'm putting a light, some of light color put on here. Okay, this paper is still very much wet, so I'm third, take a bit of violet color, put on the toward the center area. So and then I'm going to take some very thick, strong color. I'm use the tip of the brush. I'm mixing magenta and magenta mix bright violet color. Okay, look at that. Still water flowing on the paper. Okay, I'm added more dark color in put on here, and then okay, I will be back after this area paper almost dries. Okay, I will move on to next pattern, this second one. First with the paper. And then this flower is not main flower, so I'm going to use little bit of lighter than these colors. So because a main focus subject has to be catching the eye of the viewer when we see a painting overall first. So I'm going to try a little bit of lighter color than this one. I don't want to pop up too much. I'm adding ultramarine deep color for some shading. Bright violet mix ultramarine deep color. So I want to get very strong deep color. Put on the center, around the center area. And draw some line on the petal. Okay, next move on to these buds. I'm just filling them water. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This is very small one. Yeah, look cute. Okay, and then I'm adding magenta color. Put on the center of the flower area. And drag to center to outside. Switch the brush and almost this paper almost dry. Just to use the tip of the brush, take some dark strong density of the color, just tap center of the flower. They are still, this paper is still wet, so they will spread. And drag some center to outside. Okay, we are moving on to next step. Now it's almost dry, this paper. We can start working on individual petals. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 3 petals behind this bigger petal. So I'm going to paint this one. 3 of these petals, so I'm going to make a darker and add more shading put here. So take some bright violet mix, ultramarine deep, Okay, next some petals in center of the flower. Next, this for leaves. So I'm going to use wet on it technique for leaf area. So wet the paper first. Sap green mix ultramarine deep, very strong density of color. So put on the second layer on the leaves. Okay, this painting almost done, but I wanna add some shadow color. So take some ultramarine deep mix, bright violet. So put on the shadow area. Okay, this paper fully dried, so and I thought this painting finished. I have been finished, but I decided the painting still needs something. So I'm going to put some stem on here. So with the ultramarine deep blue, kind of blue color. Okay, that's enough. And then I wanted to take off some color in main flower. I'm using synthetic brush, clean water and paper towel. Okay, I'm done this video. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time. Bye.